Wine slow, girl you a put on a fine show. Me glad say me fine yo. Make you stop work, start mine yo. I am front. You see the body there. Me want bring in a me place and lock you eh.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I am Elise London, and for those who are familiar with my channel and who is a returning subscriber, a warm welcome back. And if you're interested in watching today's video, please stay tuned. This hair is from a company on Amazon called KARIZMA. I've reviewed hair from them before. And yes, girlies, this hair is a synthetic joint. The hair type is wavy and it comes in the color blonde pink, or blonde ombre pink I should say. And this hair straight out of the box, the blonde and then it fades into the pink, is just a bomb. And I'm not too sure on the length of this unit, but I think it probably drops to about maybe 24 inches. I'm sorry guys, but do you guys see this color though, baby? Like, this is giving me Nicki Minaj vibe. If you know, you know. I was showing the cap construction of the inside of the wig, and it comes with one comb in the middle and two at the side with an adjustable strap at the back and no comb. So I wasn't fucking with the hairline, it just made the wig look so wiggy. So off camera I went in and plucked the hairline. I also plucked the hairline a little bit more on camera, as you see here, just to give it that natural look. And in the next coming clips, you're going to be seeing me adding my foundation onto the lace so that it blends in way more better. But before I do that, I'm going to go in with my hot comb and lay down the perimeter of the wig, just so that everything is laid back and slicked back and there's no hairs getting in the way, so that everything will be set in place, ready for me to do the installation. And you see, boom, just like that. Do you see how much of a difference it makes when you add foundation to your lace? Look at that, guys, look. And you guys gotta do whatever it takes to make this joint look like your hair and like it's coming out of your scalp, period. And you literally gotta put a lot of elbow grease into this unit, because girls, it ain't easy to pluck this wig. But hey, these things happen, guys. With any synthetic wig you get, there's gonna come with all the cons. So yeah, don't get put off just because, you know, it's a lot more work to deal with when it comes to synthetic wigs. Don't let that put you off, because no hair you purchase online or in stores is not gonna look like your own hair. So of course you gotta put in the work and make it look as natural as possible. And that's the case with human hair and synthetic hair. So yeah guys, I'm not going to talk too much in today's video, but if you enjoyed watching this video, by the time you get to the end, please leave a big thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know your thoughts, and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys, and stay safe. Turn my back on the ones I love. I lost everything cause the love I had for you. Had a choice and I picked you. Over everything, trusted you. I swore I'll always ride for you, but I guess I wasn't for you. I remember the nights, the days, the smiles, the pain, the loss and gains. Now I'm left with pain and stress. You say, EY, I'm gone insane. I don't wanna do this anymore. Don't wanna be the reason why you hit the floor. I don't wanna do this anymore. You trying to start over, girl, that's a no-no. That's a no. No-no, that's a no. No-no. And I don't wanna do this anymore. Don't wanna be the reason why you hit the floor.
whoa. I never lied, I never gave you up. Forever crying when you messing up. I kept it real, I always made you trust. Put you for the team and I can never love again. We hustled together, we were a team. Promised to each other we were gonna reach our dream. When you found out, I almost made a meal. You decided to snake me and I tried to get you killed. Heartbroken now, I'm popping pills. Pyro on the phone while in LA, Renay chill. Problems in my life is I do too much. Always show love, got so much regret. I don't wanna do this anymore. Don't wanna be the reason why you hit the floor. I don't wanna do this anymore. You tryna start over, girl, that's a no-no. That's a no, no-no. That's a no, no-no. And I don't wanna do this anymore. Don't wanna be the reason why you hit the floor. What was your purpose in all them lies? Did you enjoy watching me cry? Turn my back on the ones I love. I lost everything cause the love I had for you. Had a choice and I picked you over everything, trusted you. I swore I'll always ride for you, but I guess I wasn't for you. I remember the nights, the days, the smiles, the pain, the loss and gains. Now I'm left with pain and stress. You say, why I'm gone instead. I don't wanna do this anymore. Don't wanna be the reason why you hit the floor. I don't wanna do this anymore. You tryna start over, girl, that's a no-no. That's a no, no-no. That's a no, no-no. And I don't wanna do this anymore. Don't wanna be the reason why you hit the floor. I never lied, I never gave you up. Forever crying when you messing up. I kept it real, I always made you trust. Put you for the team and I can never love again. We hustled together, we were a team. Promised to each other we were gonna reach our dream. When you found out, I almost made a meal. You decided to snake me and I